this is Maya. Welcome to the Week 11 update. I will be posting updates on Woody's progress once a week for the next 2 weeks. The set of buttons I originally ordered for my grant project finally came at the end of my grant, but whatever, at least they're here. They arrived last Thursday and we were able to set up the soundboard with all the Fluent Pet buttons instead of a hybrid. This week, we added the button Daba for my dad. This concludes the names of my family members, so now we can start moving on to other words, such as other action words or emotions. This is also Woody's 8th button. That means that I have reached and now surpassed my goal. My original goal was to have Woody be able to learn 4 to 8 words in 3 months. My new goal is to see if he can learn 10 words in 3 months. This week, Woody's also hit another pause in his button pushing. He hasn't been pushing them as much and isn't showing interest in them. After the meeting with They Can Talk a couple of weeks ago, I learned that this is totally normal and natural. Just as humans might not be motivated to do something at one point, but then be motivated to do that thing later, dogs are the same way. We know from last time that Woody will soon pick up interest in the buttons again. Since Woody hasn't been pressing his buttons much in the past week, we only have one video for you today. As They Can Talk is still developing their progress surveys, there has been a recent change that I found interesting. In the last batch of data I submitted, not only did the survey ask what buttons Woody knew, but it also asked what concepts Woody knew/understood. Concepts are words you use with your dog but don't have buttons for. I found this interesting since I wonder if concepts and buttons are related. Most of the buttons Woody has, we use the concept first and then added the button. Does using the concept before adding the button help dogs to understand the button better? I hope you guys enjoyed this week's update. Bye! See you next week.
Want a Cheeto? What do you think?
Nope.